result. Yeah, now.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, there are another section of Spanner and Ebu King and Danny Boy. Coming against 15-20. Winners go home with the prize.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Spanner Friday. Yes, can I see that we have another food challenge? Tough one. This is real self comedy and Danny Boy comedy. Danny Boy comedy and real self comedy. They said that they want to challenge me on 15-20, 2 against 1. Then I have only 15 minor, little, small, minor, 15 semo. So they have tiny 20 semo. So they will be using 20 semo, 2 against 1. First to finish is going home the sum of 150,000.
150,000 naira. 50,000 naira. Ewo. Spanner. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is another section, and they are competing with 2 of them against Spanner for 150,000 naira.
So, guys, are you ready to watch this now?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Are you ready? Game
start. Let's go. Let's go. Spanner.
Danny Boy.
Spanner.
15-20 Samo. 2 against 1. 15-20 against Spanner.
Come on, Spanner. Come on.
15-20 against Spanner. My God.
Stop playing, guys. Stop playing.
15-20 Samo. These people that don't know how Spanner eats, and they are still trying to compete with Spanner. Fifteen to 20 Samo, and Spanner is having only 6 remaining, 7 remaining. 15-20. Ladies and gentlemen, Spanner is down.